Hi students, welcome back. This is Plus 2 Computer Science Chapter 6, Program number 1. Before getting into the video, please do subscribe. Okay, these are the programs given in Chapter 6. So let's see the first one. Write a program to check whether the given character is a vowel or not. So when you read the question, you have to decide which type of control structure should be used to develop the program. So here it is clearly given whether the given character is vowel or not. So you have to use if else statement. In if, you have to introduce the condition, that is a given character you have to compare with all the vowels. And if it is true, if it is satisfied, you have to say yes, it is a vowel. Or else if it is not satisfied, you have to say it is a consonant. That is the program. So here in this program, you have to get the character and compare it with vowels. If it is true, you have to say it is a vowel. If it is false, you have to say it is a consonant. Okay, this is the program. In this program, we are going to check whether the given alphabet is vowel or not. So introduce a variable and assign input function to that variable so that you can get the character at the runtime. So input function, inside input function, we have to mention what we need, whether character or numbers. So here, since it is based on vowel, we are going to get the character. So here I have enter a character. And the next line is if statement. So you're going to compare the value stored in CH, that is a variable, with vowels. So we are going to compare, you look at the character CH, that is a variable name, and it is compared with uppercase A and lowercase a. Like that, all the vowels, we select uppercase and lowercase and we do this comparison. In case if any one of this is true, then we have to execute print statement which is present under if statement. So if any condition is satisfied, automatically print statement will be executed. If no conditions are satisfied, if they are false, then we have to select else statement. Only else statement will be executed. So if block will be executed only if the condition is true. If the condition is false, we have to execute else block. So we do say that it is not the vowel, it is a consonant. So let us execute this program. Okay, it is asking for alphabet or character. Let's give lowercase a, press enter, and it is saying a is a vowel. Let's run the program once again. In the if statement, look at the if statement. Variable is compared with all the vowels and every condition. See, this full set is condition up to a. CH equal to in single quotes, capital A is written. Up to that is one condition. Like that, multiples of conditions are used here. In between every condition, we have used OR operator. OR operator, the logic behind this operator is at least one of the conditions should be true. That's it. If it is true, then if statement is considered as true. So you will get print statement under if, which is given under if statement, that will be executed. If no conditions are satisfied, if all the conditions are false, then we will not execute any statement which is given under if statement. Instead, we will skip to else block. This is the logic. So let's run the program. Let's make the condition false. I have given Q. Okay. So we got the answer. Q is a consonant. So that's it. So try this program. Thanks for watching.